Probably the biggest additional benefit with this approach is the increased expectations it's allowed me to have with my students, especially in what my students bring to class. I expect them to read the textbook and come ready to solve problems from the reading. The way I accomplish this is with clicker questions. I begin class by presenting students a problem to solve based on material that we have not yet formally discussed. Students work out the problem individually or in small groups, and they use their clickers to answer the question. Once time is up, we see the class results and the correct answer. We then discuss why one answer is correct and others are not. And that's also the time to discuss material that might be related to that particular question at hand, to give students maybe a broader understanding of the material. We then repeat that process with the clicker questions 5 or 6 times each period. What's nifty about this is that when we discuss the answers to each clicker question, I don't simply give the class the information. Rather, there's a lot of me asking them questions about the various things that need to go into solving that particular problem. How do you figure out, distinguish in this case, whether it has undergone an SN1 or an SN2?
So it says that the rate is doubled with the concentration of HO, meaning HO is involved in the rate determining step.
Okay.
And that only happens in SN2.
Of the SN1 and SN2, that factor favors the SN2 over the SN1. All right? Why?
Strong nucleophiles
Okay.
to favor SN2 reactions because they're forcing off the leaving group. So you need something that's strong to force it off.
Good. How do you know that's going to, just by looking at what we see in that mechanism, how would you be able to argue that that's the slowest, much slower? Albert?
You require energy to break that bond between the BR and your substrate.
This keeps students engaged, and it reinforces the idea that students should know the answers to the things that I ask, and it gives them the confidence that they do.